Step 1. Enter your prompts. Click Generate Frames button to generate a frame. Step 2. Select one frame from the generated frames, and click the Generate a Video button to generate a video clip. Step 3. If you want to generate a new video clip, you can delete and enter a new text prompt. Click on the Generate Frames button to generate a frame again. Select one of the generated preview frames, click on the Generate a Video button to generate a new video clip. Step 4. After the above steps, select the video clips you want to merge in video clips and then click the Merge a Movie button to edit. Step 5. Add music, and adjust the music length. Step 6. Click the play icon to preview the video.